welcome to the fishing simulator. So in the Roblox, so karon dula tag fishing simulator. So let's get it on. Wow, day 1 to day 7. 100 coins. Amo ko. Hindi mo ko na-respawn. Okay. So na ay mapa. Wow, nandutog mapa ay. Level 20, 30, level 10. So good ani. Sundan to ni. So man. Hey, you know Pogs, I've been searching for you and for some constant make it to the Portal Jackson game, and they've been busy traveling to another island. But they're missing out since the special boat champion where folks the game thanks blah 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 blah. So sign me up. First you will catch, then you will be big a fish and record the victory. It had the first starting. Okay. Ito man eh. Gumaya uy. Ay, so magbula. May magbula diri. Okay. Ano niya? Wow. Fishing simulator juday. Ha? Sapatos? Ako pinaka-bulok kay mga bot man din sila di ay. Grabe man ang lubihan na butasa eh. Naghana na nila dili. Piste mo balik ko. Isa. Usab ko da. Basahon na pud nako. Ano? Okay, balik ta guys. Karon gikabalo na ta, prepared na ta sa pagdaog. Basta ni, prepared. Okay, let's go. Lo, dako ni ba? Dako lagi ni. Lo. Dakpa daw shark daw. Yawan ang kuan ni fishing rod di. Kuan magayo. Speak to Eliza. Wow, badge fish master. Hunting tournament. Mana naman. So we next to boat for hunting tournament. Okay. Sulod. Ngita tag boat. Paano tayo boat. Ngita tag boat. Pila man ni. 2-4. Yawa. 2,000 honor ako kwarta niya. Kulang 300. Kung saan pagbaligya. Sealer. Sure. Everything. Uy, Pulau 200. Uy, dako kay ni ba? Hala. Bira. Bira. Bira guys. Bira idol, bira. Uy, pasakay daw. Diyan pag-drive. Ay, galas. Lah. Uy, tara. Kasama na eh. Wala, libre sakay. Chuya, libre sakay. Balik. Hello. Nagago ni shirt. Hello. Buang ka. Nakoy pana. Nagago. Mamatay ka. Ay, di man eh. Gago ka? Oh, okay. Go. Uy. Fuck. Manaragat ni buang. Fuck. Isa na lang. Tulok hitan. Okay. Diyan ba sila? Uy, tabang. Bawal, hindi ko dito eh. Sure. Yate, 63 ra. Ang isa. Okay. Tayo dito. Pila man eh. 7K. Hindi lang. Bye. Okay. Customize? Wait, customize? Okay. Speed. Let's go, speed. Speed is important thing in the boat. Okay. Okay, and you do not much the time to production big amen. Seriously big humor such a may katong gipatay na og ganiya. Saan ako pag-drive? Okay. Yo! Hey! Let me sit. Thank you. I have a wooden stick spare. I don't know where do I go.
Maybe what about the sea?
Maybe it can be.
Yeah.
I need 20 of them. I don't know where's that fish. Is that big fish or not big fish? Nama to gani ha? Siya nga oy. Taas layuan na ako eh. Okay. Bago na wala yung bangka. Ay ito na yung bangka. Ay kung wala lang ibaligya tong kuan ako. Ay to. Money. Ano ang ipangita? Sana lang. So dili siya ga-respawn. Nakita na ko ganyan. Wait lang. Sama na dapita. Hey brother, I see it, brother. I only need 20 of them. Wait. See.
Shana.
See, like this.
Yeah, that thing.
Yeah. So, I need to deliver it to Elisa. 20 more. There you go. There. Nice. Let me catch one. What the fuck? They are attacking? Oh. Oh shit. Nice. Okay, I'm full now. I only... What the fuck? What the fuck? Gago, nilupad ko. I went flying, man. Let's go do again. Wait, let me seal this. No. Let's go. Okay. I hit one. Why it's so slow, man?
Em down.
Okay, there's one pin. Okay. Need 2 more fish, then we're done. Hey, thanks for helping me, by the way.
Two more, right?
Yeah, 2 more. Yes, that's a big help. Yay! Grabe bay, tako isyag tabang. Indot bagay kan god, pambot god. Speedboat. Speedboat.
Come.
Okay, where? This is my quest. Complete the race. Oh, okay. Okay. We are racing now, huh? Oh shit, this is so fast, man. GG bro. It only took 9 minutes, but it's worth it.
Yeah, maybe it's one. Why walk like this?
What? I don't know. It's a bug, man. Okay. Sure. Still running, but your rise prices cousin. I have a special surprise waiting for you. So guys, nato diri na lang kung mo to diri na lang, and see you soon. Mag-upload pa ko ugma. So bye bye. Like and subscribe. Ay karaan ng mga nanganay. Basta ikaw na may bala, like or subscribe, tanaw or dili. Bye bye.